Hello everyone and welcome back to another screencast. This one is taking the nth term and making it a little bit more difficult, but it's only a little bit more difficult, so stick with me. It really isn't too bad. I often say that, don't I? What is the nth term? We've already done this. Hopefully you've watched the other videos, but we're going to use it to find out what the 25th term is in these sequence of numbers. And these sequence of numbers are exactly the same sequence of numbers as we did before. So remember, those are the term numbers there, but instead of finding the 8th term or the next term, we're going to find something way away, and rather than writing them all down, we're just going to use that formula, the nth term formula, to find out our answer. And you've already got the tools in the box. So let's find the 25th term in the sequence and the nth term. All right, so let's work on the nth term first. So we've added 3 each time to here. So we know our answer would be 3n, and we write down the 3 times table, and we work out that we have to add 2 each time. Now, that's the nth term, so we're going to use this to find out the 25th term in here. So all we do, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is we substitute 25 for n. So hopefully we have an understanding that 3 times n plus 2, that's what that means. So we take away the n and we replace it with 25. We use our BIDMAS, so 3 times 25 plus 2. So 3 times 25, it would give us 75, plus 2 would give us 77. Okay? So that is our answer. The 25th term would be 77. Now, let's do this for these ones. Remember, this is quite tough, but we might need to use our calculator on this for some of us. But let's do this one. So we're going up by 6. So let's write the 6 times table. And we know that what do we have to do? So we've got our 6n, and we have to take away 3 each time. So again, you might need to get out your calculators, but all we're going to do is we're going to take away that n. So remember, it should be 6 timesing by n minus 3. So 6 timesing by 25 minus 3. So get out your calculators and go 6 timesing by 25 equals 150. Take away 3 gives us 147. So our answer for this one would be 147. And last but not least, again, remember what's happening. Yeah, we are, just get rid of that, taking away 3 each time. So let's write that down. And again, I know some of you did struggle with this, so bear this in mind. But it's nice and easy. Remember, we've got our minus 3n. And what do we have to do? We have to add 13 to it. So again, all we're going to do is we're going to take away the n and put in 25. And if we do that on our calculator, so we should have that negative button. So negative 3 timesing by 25 gives us our minus 75. And then we're going to add 13 to that. And we end up with minus 62. Sorry, my writing's all over. I ran out a bit of space. And that's how simple it is. So you're going to work out the nth term, then you're going to substitute in the term you're looking for. In this case, it's the 25th term. So here we go. Now it's your turn to work out the 25th term on all of these. Good luck. Come back and see if you've got the right answers. So the first thing you should have done was written down the nth term formula and then substitute in the 25 for the n, and you would have got hopefully these answers here. So we can see that the formula was 20n plus 18. So I took away the n and put in the 25, and my answer was 518. On the next one, that was the formula. So the formula was 4n minus 3. Substitute in the 25 for the n, and we would have got 97. And last but not least, that was our formula, and we substitute in the 25 for the n, and we would have ended up with 740. Hopefully you found that really nice and easy. If you didn't, what you do yes, that's right, you have to watch it again. Come and ask your teacher or me in class if you have me as your teacher. And hopefully you enjoyed it. And as per normal, if you didn't, I'm really sorry, but I can't do much about that.